there's something le corner that we're leaving behind.
What also trended? What also trended?
Because as Spade, if we wanna take about another trending stories beside Ligas, so we had 2 hours.
I don't think there's anything that trended, right? It was a
Like
long.
Ligas,
It was
a long.
Elo,
Yeah, how
Elo
was
weekend.
your Father's Day, dog? It was Father's Day, day before yesterday.
Father's Day is not the same as Mother's Day, my dog.
Is that? Oh, us didn't take us serious. Ne?
Yeah, Father's Day is just Happy Father's Day, Papa. Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Why?
Okay.
But also,
That's about it.
as they don't take us serious, also we don't take ourselves serious.
I don't think that's the problem. I don't think that's the problem. We are too focused on giving them the life that we forget about ourselves.
Eish.
You understand?
That's a huge problem, though.
Mfethu lo 3 rand othoyayo njayami
Yeah.
ufuna kucheka ukuthi ingqozi ishaphi. You understand? Ukhohle ukuthi hey kambe sakho isicathulo da. Hayi siyatshela. You understand?
Yeah.
So obviously you overlook some things. You're like, it's Father's Day. It's like your birthday, bro.
Aish.
It's like Valentine's Day.
Aish.
Who benefits on Valentine's Day?
It's those people that they are selling the gifts.
It's women. Women get gifts.
Yeah.
You gonna get a cup of coffee.
Oh, you lucky also. You don't get nothing.
Even now it's worse.
You get nothing.
Akhumbula in primary bebakushanga ilikhathinyana at least.
Primary benginokujola abo 3 mantombazana.
My products are rock.
Mina. Bengungile.
And you were chopping.
That time I was stupid. I was just liking to date that girl.
Yeah.
In primary school, even
not like
I even told you, I even told Noctor at that time with him, when you were dating and they hear you, they were chowing you, but besaba nokucabuza that time, yeah. Mina ngithola abo 3 because school. Benginja. Benginja. A dog mina esikoleni, I think maybe beka too much it ukuthi let's topicsana now.
Yeah.
Ngokugcoka nje ngestyle. Dog mina bengihlale ngisurrounded mantombazane every day, break time. Dog mina benginja man.
Yini mfana bebadonsa la?
No, lento isekhave ingadi,
Ne.
yeah, isengadini, yeah. Isengadini.
100%. I understand.
Yeah, isengadini.
Ne.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can say that because I remember. Thama lakho mfana. Entwana thama lakho bilishangiswe.
Yeah.
Tholisile lapha etshanini lapha.
Yeah, no, it's very cast now nje lokho. Yeah.
No, I understand, bro. I understand. But yeah, that's all we have for today.
Yeah, no, thanks. Man, thanks.
That's
Bye.